guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can deactivate your TikTok account. So guys, if you're trying to deactivate your TikTok account temporarily but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and tap on profile, and once you're here, just look at the top right corner where you can see this 3-lined button. Tap here and you can see options like TikTok Studio, My QR Code, and settings and privacy. Tap on settings and you'll see options like account, content display, cache, and many more. We just need to tap on account, and finally at the bottom you can find the option that says deactivate or delete account. So tap here, wait for it to load, and there you go, you have this deactivate account options. It says here that you can reactivate your account anytime or recover all the content anytime you want, but if you want to delete it permanently, you can also choose that and tap there. It says right here that you can cancel the deletion request and reactivate your account within 30 days. Since we're trying to deactivate it temporarily, we're just going to tap on deactivate account. Now once you tap on deactivate, your account will be successfully deactivated. So guys, there you go. That's how you deactivate your TikTok account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.